welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day, and I want again to thank you guys for being here, for supporting our channel, helping it grow to where we have gotten so far. And don't forget, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. We are getting so close. I definitely think we can get there by September 30th. The giveaway is awesome. I will make sure to link up above the latest video of all of the prizes included. However, I have added some since the video, so there is still some more stuff that will be in there. And if you have not already, you're here, please do go ahead and hit subscribe and join our YouTube family. It would be so much appreciated. And if you like our videos, please make sure to give a thumbs up and let us know. Leave comments below. I love your comments. I love talking with you guys. So, this video, as you can see, is a monthly, it's a snack attack box, and this was very kindly sent to me for review. This is from an Etsy site, and I will make sure to link the information down below for you guys. The name of the site is Make Me Smile Marketing, and the lady was just absolutely a pleasure to deal with. She was so super sweet. And I am going to go ahead and take it out of the box. I did open it because my address was like right on top. And I love you guys, but I'm not giving you my address. So first thing is a card. So let's take a look at that. It says just a note, and then it has her business card, Make Me Smile Marketing, bringing unique client gifts to your door. So it's just a personal thank you note from her, and this, like I said, is the Snack Attack gift box. This is something that it's not a monthly subscription. This is something you can go in, you can order to treat yourself, or you can order and send to someone as a hello. She has other items as well that you could do that with. So it's kind of a, you know, treat yourself or a great gift. So either way. So we're gonna open the box, and it comes very nicely presented. Make sure it is safe with the extra protection and shipping. You guys, how cute is this? Is this not precious? Like, you know, I've said in so many videos that presentation to me is one of the biggest things, and this is absolutely adorable. Who would not love getting this? So, I hate to open it because it's so beautiful, but I have to be able to show you guys. So, we're gonna have to get our little friend to cut the ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty. I hate to do this. It kind of makes me sad, but it makes me happy at the same time because it was gorgeous, and I'm excited to see what is in here. So the first thing I see is gorgeous. Is this beautiful bottle, water bottle, drink bottle. How cute is that? So that's really nice to have. And then I'm just gonna pull the whole little box out of this plastic because I'm sure it is making a lot of noise on the video. So then we have the basket with goodies. Let's see. The first thing I see here is by Maxwell House, hazelnut iced latte. Empty latte stick into a glass, add 8 ounces of cold milk, stir until completely dissolved. Oh, okay, so it's like an instant iced latte. That is awesome. And I will be having this in the morning. Yay, love that. And then we have here, oh, my husband and my son will probably both love these. This is the Crush Pineapple. This is the to-go singles. There's 6 of them in here. You just add to the bottle of water and you're ready to go. So I love that. They're sugar-free. Let's see. Oh, we got some bubbles. My son will love this. That's cute. And they're not, it's like in a drink bottle looking container. So he will love those. And then we've got some Takis. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. My husband will like these because they're hot. Hot chili pepper and lime. So he will like those. My son will love these because I know he loves these because I have to buy them. The Keebler Fudge Striped, the little mini cookies. So this may end up going in his book bag for his snack tomorrow for school. And then, oh, first of all, I love this product. Second, I love that it's already Halloween themed because you guys know I have said in so many videos, I am so ready for fall and for pumpkins and Halloween and hay rides and... But this is the Garden Veggie. This is the chips, and they're in the shapes of ghosts and bats. How adorable. I have not seen them like this before. I've seen the chips and I've seen the, the veggie straws. But to do it like that, that is awesome. And these are so good. I love these. So that is super, super good. And I love that down in here there were the blue squigglies. You know I love my squigglies. So that is the Snack Attack box, and I will make sure to link everything down below for you guys. The link to get you to the Etsy site, and I will also link the pricing down below for this item, for this Snack Attack box. And like I said, because this was very kindly sent to me for review and to share, I wanted to make sure you guys saw it and you have all the information if this is something that you would like to treat yourself or, a friend, family member, something like that. But like I said, also check out her other items because she has awesome, awesome stuff. So again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will... My mind is like stopped. I apologize. So okay, we will link everything down below for you guys, and don't forget, if you have not already, please do subscribe and enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And like I said, the prize package just keeps growing and growing and growing. It is going to be awesome. And otherwise, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I know that my husband and my son and myself with these are going to be very happy campers with some little snacks. So have a wonderful day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye.